In this video, I will show you how to solve the Roman to integer problem on LeetCode. In this problem, we are asked to convert a number in Roman format to Arabic. The Arabic format is the default we use in the computer science field, so we just need to convert Roman to a simple integer. The rules of the conversion are described to us in the problem statement. The task would be quite straightforward, except for one catch. The Roman number map easily if we go in decreasing order. However, if a lesser number is found before a greater number, it should be subtracted from the greater number. For example, 4 is represented by IV, so number I representing 1 should be subtracted from number V representing 5, which results to 4. Luckily for us, in math, it doesn't matter in which order you do subtraction and addition, so we can just subtract the number if it goes before a greater number and add the number if it goes before a lesser number, which makes our task quite a bit simpler. Another trick we will use is a hash map. We can map each Roman number to a corresponding Arabic number, which will save us from big if statements and clutter in our code. Now, let's go and implement our solution. First, we will need to declare a hash map, which will help us to figure out the corresponding Arabic number for each Roman number. We will use information in the problem statement to compile this map. Now, we need to declare a number which will hold our result. Next, we will iterate through the given Roman number, and for each number, we will do one of two things. If the number is the last in the list or is greater than the next number in the list, we will add it to the result number. Else, which means the number is lesser than the next one, we will subtract it from the result number. Once the loop is done, we end up with the result number, which we return. The solution is linear in terms of time complexity, or O of n in big O notation, and it is constant in terms of memory complexity, O of 1. As we don't declare any data structures dependent on the size of the input. I hope the video was helpful and you found the explanation you were looking for. I wish you all the best in your learning. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.